It's a really exciting day because we have something we've been waiting for a while, and that is our new front airbags. And so these are new manufactured ones here. And right here, these are an old set of them. So this is what came out of there. We didn't want to reuse these, and it's been very difficult to locate these, but now Caddy Daddy is going to be stocking them.
That's correct.
Something to note, if you have these top bellows, is you have 3 mounting points. This is something that is very common on these to bend or break. So it's something to be very careful with, especially since we're turning it upside down. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get this upside down.
Okay, and I've got some of our tire soap here. And then what we'll do is try to get this to slide into the dome. Like that.
There we go.
Now it's dropped in.
Clean that up. So this is that bead sealer that we used for the rear airbags. Put a little just right
up where the bag seats. This is especially important if the sealing surface is not that great on yours. If it's
been
rust
pitted or rust.
Yeah, pitting or rust will, just like with a tire.
Yeah, and this is readily available.
Yes.
It's good to have some on the shelf.
We're going to do just like we did on the rear. We have our compressed air ready. I'm going to hold the canister down, and Bob's going to work the bag up,
and boom,
just like that,
finds its home. So we look around this. So you're going to have a little bit of that bead sealer around here. So you want to take and clean it up.
Yep.
Because you want to look and see if there's any leaks. You can put a.
You can see the bead sealer will bubble a little bit, and we'll check these with some of the tire soap. Since we got, now I'm going to swap out and put one of our homemade test fittings in.
But so yes, that's the same homemade valve that is kind of in place until we put the rest of the air ride plumbing valves. Look at that.
There we go.
There we go. So I think that came out looking pretty good.
Yeah, it looks good.
And this, once again, is a situation where you want to go slow and drop that in there because you do not want to damage those threads there.
Let it go in there, and it does sit at a slight angle, so don't be trying to drop it perfectly straight or lift it perfectly straight in.
Yeah, so there's a flat washer, a lock washer, and a nut.
That's correct.
Go slow. You don't want to strip these guys.
Yep, or cross thread them or do anything. They are kind of a fragile thread. There's only a 1/4 inch stud on those.
Just run them right up, nice and snug. And there we go.